Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to turn off iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's have a look. Method 1. Turn off iPhone 14 Pro Max using buttons. Press and hold the side button and volume up or down button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider that says slide the power off to the right. That's it, the iPhone will now turn off. Now I would like to show you how to turn off iPhone 14 Pro Max without using power buttons. First, open Settings app, scroll down little bit and tap General. Again, scroll down to the bottom and tap Shutdown. Slide to power off the device. Method 3. You can use Siri to turn off your iPhone. Launch Siri by saying Hey Siri or long press the side button on your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now you can say turn off my iPhone, or you can say switch off my iPhone, or you can say shut down my iPhone. Simply say confirm or tap confirm button to proceed. The device will now power off. So these are the steps to power off or shut down iPhone 14 Pro Max. To turn on your iPhone, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release finger when Apple logo appears. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.